put in the butter, the sugar, and the sticky honey. Stir, stir, stir. Now the vanilla and the egg. Crack. Now we need the white flour and the brown flour. And some cinnamon sprinkles. Use your hand power to squish it into a big ball. The dough is sleepy. It needs a nap in the fridge. Push, push, push. Roll it flat. Now I pick the bear, the bunny, and the alligator. Line them up for the parade. Into the oven. Look, they are golden and crunchy. Yummy. If you liked this, press the like button and subscribe so you don't miss my next yummy mess.